Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Anam back again with a new video. In this video we are going to observe the changing of colors from primary to secondary. For that we have 3 containers having water, and I am going to add in the primary colors in each of the container. So I am filling in red primary color in the first container. We need a large quantity of the paint. You can even use food colors if you want. So it looks pretty red right now. So the next color I am going to use is blue. So I am going to fill in blue in the next container until it feels like it's a bit darker. So we can add the other color for observing the change. A little bit more, I guess, and that would be perfect. Okay, so we can see it's looking fine for the experiment. We are going to add blue in the third container as well to create the third secondary color. So I am going to fill in blue in the third container as well. I'm just pouring in the blue paint in the third glass. It looks satisfying, isn't it? Okay, so now we have all 3 containers ready. Now let's add the primary colors to fill in, to mix together, and we are going to get the secondary colors. Okay, so first we are going to add yellow to red, and let's see what happens. I am adding in yellow to the red paint. We would be needing quite a bit of quantity. Okay, so I am adding in yellow to red. Let's see what color it makes. Oh, can you see the change? The color is changed from red to orange. Let's add yellow to blue. Oh, that's satisfying. So it changed its color from blue to green. Now I am going to add red in blue. Let's see what color does it make. Can you guess? Until I mix it, you can guess which color it is going to convert into. Okay, so I am pouring in red in blue. Okay, let's see what color it's going to turn into. Wow, it has converted in purple. So from primaries, these colors have converted into secondary colors, and they look amazing. Okay, so this is how we did our experiment for today, and we converted the primary colors into secondary colors, and the shades are lovely. You can try this experiment at home and tell me in the comments how did it go, and were you able to create secondary colors from primary colors, and enjoy the activity. I hope you liked the video for today, and stay tuned for the next video. Please like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.